Tiruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. In the year 1993, after completing 9 Irumudi offerings, I was preparing for the 10th one. After attending the mass Saktimalai function at the Mandram, which is a worship center, I returned home and retired to bed. Even though I was physically exhausted, I was not able to sleep properly. This continued the next night too. My mind was not calm and a sense of confusion prevailed. I lay down in my bed, closed my eyes, and recited the Moola Mantram, the 108 Guru Potri, the 108 Amma Potri, and the Sakti Kavasam. I happened to open my eyes and was terrified at the sight. A dark figure was lying on my youngest daughter. Its Missio Dennis grotesque face sent jitters to me. Holding my Sakti Malai, I started reciting the Sakti Kavasam. The dark figure remained there for about an hour. Gaining courage from reciting the phrase Om Sakti Parasakti, I kicked the dark figure away. It appeared again and I had to fight with it until dawn. I rushed to the Mandram in the morning and narrated the incident to the head of the Mandram, Sakti Shankari. Sakti Shankari suggested bringing my daughter during prayer time to the Mandram. My daughter was made to sit and Kalasa Tirtham, that is the holy water, was sprinkled on her, and they also gave her some water to drink. Lemon Drishti was taken to ward off the evil spirit. The spirit possessing the girl started speaking. It said it died because it was hit by a train and possessed the little girl when she came by alone. It further stated that it felt comfortable for the past 1 month, but was in total discomfort inside the girl's body for the last 3 days with a burning sensation. The spirit then mentioned it is leaving, and my daughter fainted. My daughter then came back to her normal senses. She was unable to comprehend what was happening. She was given a shower and made to drink Kalasa Tirtham, and Lemon Drishti was taken again. And since then, we didn't face any problem. As per Amma's oracle, the more you involve yourself in spirituality, the more you will get protection and safety against evil forces. We understood this after the incident. Offering Irumudi can bring many positive effects on our lives, and we should never let go of this opportunity. Om Sakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.